8 warning signs your body is producing too much estrogen. Estrogen is the main female hormone responsible for the development and regulation of the reproductive system and sex-related characteristics such as armpit hair, breast growth and the menstrual cycle. It is very important to control and maintain it at a normal level because an excess of estrogen can cause cancer in women. Causes of excessive estrogen production. Estrogen levels naturally increase in 2 ways, during puberty and pregnancy. But this can also happen for other reasons. We may have an excess of estrogen in the environment or in our diet. Nowadays, it is not difficult to increase our estrogen content because they are contained in foods containing pesticides, herbicides and toxic growth hormones. Be careful when buying products at the supermarket, check the description and the place of manufacture. Except for these reasons, there may be other causes related to our way of life. Excessive consumption of alcohol and drugs. Heart disease, diabetes, obesity and high blood pressure. Stress. Signs of high estrogen levels in women. Pay attention to these signs and do not hesitate to go to the doctor if you find something that bothers you. If your estrogen level is high, you may feel potential symptoms such as 1. Mood swings. Many women experience changes in their breasts during their cycle and pregnancy because the breasts are very sensitive to hormones. If you have breast pain or if you have noticed that they are swollen more than usual, it may be due to high estrogen levels. 2. Swelling and tenderness in your breasts. Estrogen has an impact on your mental state and your emotions. These feelings will remind you somehow of the symptoms of PMS. You may feel depressed or anxious and your emotions may be ubiquitous for no good reason. 3. Fibrocystic masses in your breasts. If you have estrogen dominance, your breasts may become lumpy. It can be tender or painful. Do not hesitate to seek immediate medical attention if you have found lumps in the breast tissue. 4. Hair loss. Normally, this is a male problem, but when you produce too much estrogen, you risk losing more hair than usual. This can cause an even more depressed state. But remember that the number of lost hair also depends on your lifestyle. 5. Weight gain. You do not eat too much and do not lie on a couch 24 hours a day, but you've noticed that your hip is getting bigger. This can be a sign of excess estrogen. You can also suffer from bloating and struggle to lose weight even after dieting. 6. Irregular menstruation. It must be an important sign for a woman when her rules have always been respected and they suddenly come sooner or later. The menstrual period is carefully governed by the levels of hormones in your body, and if there is an imbalance of one, the entire menstrual period can collapse. 7. You feel exhausted all the time. If you have trouble sleeping, you may feel exhausted all the time. It's normal. But if you notice that you are tired more than usual and that your lifestyle has not changed, this can be a harbinger of the need to check your hormone levels. 8. Difficulty sleeping. An excess of estrogen can also cause different sleep problems. You may be too talkative and unable to sleep, or you may feel sleepy all the time. Be careful if your sleep patterns have changed suddenly without any compelling reason or change in stress levels. Rebalancing your hormones. Dr. Josh Axe recommends the following 7 steps to naturally rebalance hormones, including estrogen, testosterone, adrenaline, and insulin. Replace simple carbs with healthy fats. Use adaptogen herbs, a class of healing plants, ashwagandha, holy basil, medicinal mushrooms, rhodiola. Practice acupuncture or breathing exercises. Try essential oils or aromatherapy. Consume healthy amounts of vitamin D, omega-6 fatty acids, and probiotics. If you take prescription meds, ensure you're aware of potential side effects. Get at least 7 to 8 hours of sleep.